Hey y'all, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what am I doing today right now? I'm just doing the intro and outro to my video. I'm showing you how I installed these micro braids, feeding braids, whatever you want to call them. So freaking cute. And I think that is it for now. I was going to do another tutorial, but I don't feel like it's getting late and I gotta go to work tomorrow. So we'll start that another time. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just chilling today. I got a late start because I was in the bed watching TV. If you know me personally, you'll know how much I love the ID channel, Oxygen channel, anything that has to do with murder, crime, mystery shows, any of those kind of shows. That's what I love. So I was in the bed watching that on and off throughout the day, editing other tutorials. So let me show y'all. I didn't even show y'all. I don't know where my vlogs are falling, because like when I post my vlogs, they're already old, like 3-4 weeks old. But since it's the holidays, I'm trying to post my holiday vlog within that week, and then I'll go back and repost all my other stuff. So, you know, just bear with me. Like, it happened in real life, it's just not in right sequence. So, but when we went to the mall, when I had my jumbo twist brunch, my mother and I, then we went to the mall, my sisters, I forgot to show y'all what I got. So I got the Fenty travel size. I really want to try the cleanser and the moisturizer. Toner, I'm going to, you know, use it because it's in the kit, but I really wanted to try the cleanser and the moisturizer. Well, I'm glad I got me a travel size. And I wanted to get a travel size of her body butter, but they didn't have that in stock. For me, I need to make sure I like the product before I invest in it, because the full size, I think it's like $40-something. Pretty pricey for a moisturizer, so I want to make sure I like it before I want to spend that kind of money on it. So maybe I'll go back and find it or buy it online. Also got my favorite toner from The Ordinary. I'm almost out of the one that I have. So I got the toner. And what else we get? Oh, I got my coat. Let me show y'all my coat. This coat was a coat I tried on in Macy's. And it was 50% off. So it came up to $150. But the cashier, she was so sweet. I don't know what kind of discount. Maybe she gave me her employee discount. But she said she put her code in, and it took my total all the way down to like $110. So I was like, go ahead, girl. Inside it's like a little satin lining. So this is a nice thick coat. This isn't like a t-shirt. This is a real coat. I really like this coat. I'm trying to show y'all a full body. Yeah, here we go. Really like this coat. Nino. It's nice, thick material. The only thing I was a little concerned about, I didn't read the description as to what it's made out of. It could have a little bit of wool in it. But when I wear my real hair out, if I wear this coat, I will just put a scarf on so my hair won't rub up against it. But oh my gosh, it's nice and thick, and I love this. Long enough for my long arms. And it's still big enough that I could wear like a sweater under it. Cute, cute, cute. Then I got some pants. Wait a minute, let me grab these. From H&M. I was going to wear it on Christmas, but I didn't. So I got to find some way to wear it to. So these are like some sweater kind of pants with a wide leg. And they're super long for me and my long legs. So I wanted to wear the pants with this jacket and find a shirt and wear it on Christmas, but yeah, I didn't. So I'll wear it one day. Hopefully COVID, new variant and everything, maybe things will calm down, because we plan on going out, brunch, dinner and things like that. But it's starting to ramp back up, and I do not like to be out and about on, you know, all that stuff. Anyway, so the pants, what the heck? $50. Wow, that was originally $50. So the pants were $50. And it was half off, so it was $24. I love this jacket. Oh, and I got another sweater from, wait a minute, I'll be back. I got this sweater from Macy's. Hippie Rose. brand. It says $49, but it wasn't. It was $19.99. Of course, I wouldn't wear these two together. These patterns are clashing, but I just want to try it on for y'all real quick. So it's a cute little sweater just to throw on. And I have a lot of, yeah, I have a whole bunch of moccasins that I could just pop on and throw this little sweater on over top of it. And make a little outfit looking cute. So I got the sweater and the coat from Macy's. I know in one of my try on videos I said Macy's where I live at is trash, which it is. So I went to a different Macy's. So that Macy's is nice. The one that's near me is trash. I didn't say all Macy's in the world. That's not what I'm saying. Especially if you've been to any Macy's in New York. Oh, they're so freaking beautiful, especially around the holidays. Love them. Just the one near my house needs a little makeover, a do-over or something, okay? I'm going to do another video, but I just want to show y'all this. I'm going to do another video. I think I'm going to do another self-care video. Do y'all like self-care videos? I love watching them. The only thing I feel a little funny about is watching people in the shower. I don't know. I don't like to watch people brush their teeth. I don't like nothing with the mouth. So brushing teeth and mukbang, I don't like watching people eat. Now, if you're doing a little taste test, okay, cool. But a whole video of watching you eat, I can't watch. And then in the shower, I don't know. I don't want to see you in the shower. So I'm trying to work my way around how I want to do my self-care or unwind videos when you gotta use body products. I know, I'm just weird like that. Some things I just like, I don't like to see. But anyway, I have Dossier's candles. This is the Floral Rose. This thing right here smells so good. I was supposed to get the fragrance to this, but it's sold out. This is inspired by Lila Bone Rose 31 perfume. It smells so good. This is not a full review. I'll do a review in another video, but I didn't even light it yet. I don't even know if I even want to light it. You know how you get some? So it's like you get a perfume or a lotion and it just smells so good, or like a fancy bar soap that's just shaved and carved and looks so pretty and smells so good you don't want to use it. That's how I feel with this candle. I don't want to use it. That's, you know, if you hear, but there you go. You see him? Just about jingling because he about to get right on up out of here. I don't know what I'm doing this week, but New Year's. It's New Year's this week. New Year's Eve, and we're supposed to have it at my house, and I want to have like a seafood with like a little extravaganza or a seafood theme, or so that'll be fun. All right, y'all. You gonna say bye now? You gonna say bye? No, not to me. Okay, bye bye. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia and Renee. Welcome to the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I just got back in the house, been outside all day, work, running to the grocery store and to Walmart. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. We're doing a seafood boil, and I got some of the ingredients. My mother, she got some more shrimp and corn and potatoes. Yeah, and my sister bringing some more snow crab legs. This is what we picked up today, me and my little sister. We got some snow crab legs, some shrimp. So my mother gonna bring some more over. Then we got the sausage. This is the sausage I already had in the house. I thought it was this one, so I brought the wrong kind, but whatever. Turkey sausage. And I got 3 of these shrimp and crab boil pouches, 2 spice bags. Come in each pouch. So I got 3 of those. The 10 pans to put them in, wash those out. Sugar, some sodas. Of course, we need some Old Bay. And we went to Walmart, and in Walmart, I'm hungry. Brave or anything. I really don't even eat popcorn like that. But I got some popcorn. Well, my sister got me the popcorn. Some butter lovers and some butter kettle corn. And I want to mix it with these. Caramel, cinnamon, apple. Yeah, I was just hungry, so I just grabbed anything. So hopefully that's alright. I saw this in there too. Got this for my niece, a little cup with a loofah and some bath bombs, floss, deodorant for me, some for him, elf, concealer, and this is a lip gloss. Look real pigmented. I want to try it on. Ooh, some Wet n Wild. That is pretty much it. I'm about to put this stuff up and find me something to eat because I am hungry. By the time y'all see this video, New Year's Eve been done came and went. It's probably February the 2nd or 3rd. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope everybody have a happy, safe New Year. I see y'all tomorrow when we're putting this crab boil together. Happy New Year's Eve, y'all. Kid in the background peeling some shrimp. I'm getting ready to cut up the sausage. My mother's coming over in a minute. My auntie, my sister, and my niece. Girl, so I went to the dollar store today to get some New Year's Eve decorations. They ain't had none, so that's all I could find. I was like, whatever. Happy New Year. Woo! Woo.
They was good, Rhonda.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot fire.
Sucking them on down.
Mm-hmm. All this juiciness.
Hey.
Yeah.
Come on, playlist. Okay.
Yep. Cheers. Happy New Year's. Cheers.
time I see. It's been a long time. Stop smiling, let me get a look off your face. There's no easy way to explain.
Yeah.
You got me loving you so much, I just can't let go. You should have known one day that love would catch up to you. And now you know. He always treat me right, never fight, he said his love was my time. Took me home, had me smile. Hi, hello. That's my favorite part. She don't make say that part.